Hi, this is Miss Ilayaraja, registration number 1131116210023, VMC number 811, project title is Multi-Channel Shopper Segmentation in Retailer Analytics. My project guide name is Mr. Kolundan and external guide name is Muthuswamy, and my project company is Savajan Technologies with Tambaram, Chennai 44. I am doing the project in multi-channel shopkeeper segmentation. So I am going to concentrate on my project. Retailer is focused on understanding more about the multi-channel shopper with the retailer with the keen observation about the shoppers. And I am going to maximize the sales within the retailer, better understand the retailer and multi-channel shoppers. So using the loyalty card program, using the profiling approaches. So in this project I am using R and the Hadoop practices. So in this business world, we make a business for the everything. So how to maximize the profit to using some data analytics and business analytics method. So that's the motto for my project. So what are all the problems in my project is existing something in the existing projects is single channels. Single channel in a sense we are only concentrating on retailers and only concentrating on online. But here we are going to multi-channel shoppers. So we're going to concentrate on multi-channel shoppers for the multi-channel business. So it is only the drawbacks for the multi-channel single channel customers and the retailers. So consumer shopping to purchase behavior to increasing in multi-channel, but it is not achieved through the single channel. So these are all the existing system in our project. So what are all the existing systems will be overcome by the proposed system. In our proposed system, the clear case idea for the segmentation about the customer attributes. Customer attributes in a sense we are doing the psychographic notations. So in a psychographic notations we are multi-channel based on the consumer segment different across the channels because that will be differentiated by the customer visits, total quantity and type of shops and their profiling approaches. So here we are going to do our system requirements for our project is it is a domain for the big data analytics and framework for the Hadoop and front-end languages or R language, and in Hadoop we are using Java language, and that will be compatibility is only using for the Ubuntu and the VMwares were occasionally used for our Hadoop systems. So configuration is minimum 4 GB RAM and 500 GB hard disk and above i3 processors. So what is a big data? In big data it is an horizon trend approach. So it is using in Facebook and Twitter and everything is big data because we are living with the data world. So what is Hadoop? Hadoop it is a big data framework. It is used to solve the big data problems. So in big data we are using Hadoop. Hadoop with the framework is called Hadoop distributed file system. It only using for the Java platforms and it will using for the MapReduce concepts. MapReduce concepts in essence we are splitting over the 10 nodes like data nodes and name nodes that will be tracked by the job tracker and the task tracker in Hadoop. That will be only the Hadoop concepts. So what are all the modules in our project is import the data and segmentation approach and segmentation process. So import the data in essence we are using the unstructured data or Gravel data that will be imported to the Hadoop MapReduce system. So the unstructured data will be segmented using the R language. The segmentation process will be only applied through the segmentation algorithms like K-means, fuzzy C-means and hierarchical clustering. So first we understanding the data. How we are understanding the data? Our data type will be differentiated with the R language. So how it will be differentiated in the R language? It is a binary and then ordinal, nominal, this type of data types we are using in R language. That the R language will be the segmentation to be based on the analysis, variable identification, determine the attributes. Attributes in a sense we are using the business ID and the occasional ID, and also we are using everything is as an factors like festival IDs. In a sense business festival times we are giving the more offers for the more valuable customers. So in a sense in online and in-store shopper segmentation with the variable categorization we are creating a data dictionary for our whole old and loyalty customers for the retailer shops. So creating the universe segmentation in distribution analysis, in essence we just eliminate the false data with the use of outlier treatment and determining the segments. We our segments, in essence we are using big data, so we get the simple data set and simple data sets for the determining the segments. So it is using only through the outlier treatment. So these are all the sample data for analytics in the business world. So how I will the segmenting the approaches means total number of visits in the analysis period and distinct number of weeks shopped and average number of visits per week and maximum number of consecutive weeks number of shoppers period to the customers. It is simply say total quantity and total visits and total spend. That will be based on the segmentation approach. It will be just show the type of shops and profiling approaches for the inline, online and the multi-channels. So the system architecture will refer in Hadoop. We are using data nodes and name nodes. Simply our data sets will be imported to the Hadoop distributed file system, that the original name nodes will be having the only the links and data nodes having the data. So the data node, why we are using more data nodes, in a sense we are able to tolerate the data hiding and the data hacker terms, because in hackers to hack the single node of data node, we can able to tolerate other servers. So if the fault tolerance probability property is fully achieved in the HDFS file system, then only we are importing the data into R language. The R language will be traded into text format and the raw data in the R, and that will be cleaned and unstructured data to be changed into structured mode. Then only we are clustering the data, and then we are segmenting the data will be changed into the graphical and statistical analytics method in our architecture. So the finally our data flow will be same as well as the architecture. User or data scientist will import the data into the data set. The data set will be imported into HDFS, splitted into name node and data nodes, and that the data will be imported into the R analytics tool. That the tool will analytics with the segmented code for the c means and k means. Then only we are get the list from the R tool, those who are all getting more offers. These are all the customers called loyalty card programmers. So then only we are using the use case diagram. Use case diagrams only the two actors in our project: data analyst and the project manager. Data analyst, in a sense we have only data identification, data analysis, segmenting and report generation, only our task. And project manager will analyze the data and what all the retailers get more offers list only to the project manager. The project manager only decide for the decision making, those who are all getting the more offer. That the type of offers will be only sent by the project manager. This is the sample screen for the screenshots, and then only we are using the RStudio. In a sense we are using the set working directory for our project, then screenshots, and then the screenshot will be designed only the R screen. Then only our project screen will be shown on the summary baskets, that will be shown on the summary of data for our existing customers and the customer behavior based on the total quantity visits and the home shopping and the median mode. These are all only the library function that will be collected into the global environment variables that will be automatically created and to be saved. And then only the screen will be shown on the second transaction and customer attributes.csv. Those two files will be collaborated on getting the loyalty program customers, and that will be show the graph for those who are all getting the more offers and those who are all most visited to our shops. First profiling approach based on the customer, second approach based on the customer behavior, third based on the shops. Shops, in essence we are only the mom and pop store, small store, large stores and supermarket stores. And customers, in essence we are using the last pin customers, very frequent and occasional customers. This only we know. So those who are getting more profit, this person only the loyalty customers. So finally we get the offer from the only the loyalty card programmers for the very affluent customers and the very frequent shoppers and very large store shoppers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you a lot, and thank you for once again. Thank you.